today's video, I'm gonna be switching it up and I'm doing something completely different. I told y'all I was trying to introduce some new content. So this channel is my main channel. It's more than just locks. So I'm trying to tap more into, I guess, beauty videos, vanity videos, self-care videos, fashion content. It's more home vlogging, more lifestyle. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you let me know down below. So basically today, what I'm gonna be doing is reset. Everything just needs to be clean, y'all. So I guess y'all can help me clean my bathroom today. And if you're excited for this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Make sure you follow me on all of my social medias. They are linked down in the description box below. Also, my daughter information is in that description box below as well. And with that being said, let's hop right into this video. I guess the first thing we'll start with is the mirror, because yeah. Say no. Say no. I love you. So y'all, mommy duty calls. I have to stop. I do breastfeed, so I gotta stop and feed my baby. You want milk? She know what it means. So tell him we'll be back. Alright y'all, I'm back. So mirror is clean. Now let's get the counter. Y'all, now let's clean my shower. y'all, so the bathroom is almost done. So far we got the mirror, we got the sink, and this is like a little marble that you see. So we got the toilet and we got the shower. But what we really need to do is pick up these towels off the floor and put them in the dirty hamper, sweep and mop, and then fold some washcloths and we'll be done. All right, y'all, so don't worry about these. I'll put them in their place when we're done. So far, let me show you how the bathroom is looking. Okay, so right now this is where we at. So that's the paper towel holder, don't mind that, and that's our little plant, don't mind that for now. That goes on the counter. But these are the things that I have to sort and just put back in its place when I'm done. The floor is completely swept, and now all I have to do is mop. So this is what this side is looking like. You come over here, this side nice and swept, and again, shower is all clean, and we got the toilet all clean, counter all clean, and the mirror. So y'all, I've really been thinking about, I guess, redecorating our bathroom. Not that it was decorated anyways. We basically moved in, got what we needed, and never really decorated. And I definitely, like, that's something I definitely want to do. But when I'm done cleaning, I'll set everything back up and y'all will get to see how our bathroom is like plain Jane. So if y'all want me to like decorate my bathroom, I'm definitely into doing that. But this is where our washcloths and towels go, and this right here, I don't even want to open it because I'll expose myself. But just know that we have some nice storage space, and I definitely want to buy some, I guess, some little storage drawers, and I want to organize this with y'all because I guess by me doing these videos, it's really helping me stay organized, because I do got some little cute organizing containers that I tried organizing, but I guess things just get cluttered because of our everyday life. And you know, I have a daughter, so bathing her, brushing her teeth, washing her hair, washing my hair, just so much in there, y'all, that really just needs organizing. So yeah, if y'all want to see that, just let me know, because that'll be a fun task that I would be so ready to tackle. But I'm gonna fold some washcloths and put them in here when I'm done, and then we'll be done. So again, I love my bathroom. It's a really nice space. So I just feel like I definitely need to utilize this space and decorate it. So I'm gonna tap more into that. But let's go ahead and finish. ahead and start putting things back where they belong. Alright guys, and there you have it. My bathroom is all nice and clean. We got the mirror all cleaned off. We got the counter space cleaned, clean toilet, and then we got the clean shower. Then we have the floors all swept and mopped. Just look how plain Jane our bathroom is. Oh, that's my baby tub. She don't use it anymore. She's getting too big. But our bathroom is literally like plain Jane. But you see what I mean when I say I can add more decor. So y'all see, boring countertop, just nothing going on. But I'm definitely gonna do something. Add some decor. And then this side, as you can see, y'all see that soap and those are shampoo and conditioners. I want to get those little containers that y'all know, the aesthetic containers I'm talking about. It says like, even for the hand soap, they got aesthetic containers that say hand soap. Then they got containers that say shampoo and conditioner. I'm thinking about getting those containers. I've seen some on Temu, I've seen some on Shein. Amazon got them. It really just depends, I guess, what's the better deal, because most of the time they're the same quality. But I'm gonna read some reviews and just see where I want to get it from. We do have towel racks, so I want to add some towels here and there. I might want to put an art piece here or an art piece there. I'm trying to see, I really don't know if we want to keep this plant or not. I want to add like another plant or vase. I want to put a cute addition on top of the toilet. And again, I'm trying to see if we should put some of those little things, because our little loofahs, they don't have anywhere to go, so we just been hanging them up there. I'm trying to see if I should get the little thing, but I don't like too much in my shower in my way. I really like my shower to have a simple, empty look, honestly. But I guess I'll look on Pinterest and see. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this kind of content. If you did, let me know down in the comment section below, because what's behind here, I won't show y'all right now, but I will expose myself in another video if y'all want to see that, because we can buy those cute little containers and we can organize this together, because all it is just extra perfumes, lotions, baby girl stuff, all of her bath time stuff, and just like extra storage, y'all. So I might just have to buy some containers. Again, I'll probably look on Shein and Temu and Amazon and just see what I can find, because we can do some organization. But this was the one of many projects there is to come. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a video on this channel. Make sure you check out the description box, as well as my social medias and her social medias. But yeah, y'all, I am getting ready to get ready for bed. I'm gonna get baby girl ready for bed. I'm exhausted. Now it's time to wind down and get ready for bed. So again, if y'all are interested in seeing any night routines from me or baby girl, just let me know down in the comment section below. I love you guys. Be on the road to 3K, so make sure y'all are watching them ads, subscribing, liking, and comment so we can talk. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.